start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nazla Firunisa with student registration number 63240518. Here, I will talk about how to breaking a bad habit. Whatever and whoever we are, we must have a bad habit that we want to kick to the curb. Is it something specific like reducing a screen time or quitting smoking, or is it more general like becoming a more productive and organized? And whatever is it, I'm here to share a tips with you.
The first tip is identify your bad habit. Is it start by recognizing a habit that you want to change and be specific about what you want to achieve. The second is understand about your triggers. Reflect on triggers your bad habit. Is it stress, boredom, or certain situation? The third is set your realistic goals. You can do by break down your goals into a smaller and make an alternative goals. And don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. The fourth is find alternative. You can try to replace a bad habit with your healthier alternative. For example, if you have a bad habit of snacking junk food, you can try to reaching a fruit or nuts instead. The five is create a support system. You can share goals with your family or your friends and ask for their support. Having a support system will make a big difference. The sixth is track your progress. Keep a journal or use the habit tracking application to monitor your progress. Seeing your progress will motivate you to continue. The last and the most important is be patient. Changing a bad habit can take many time and many effort. Don't be hard on yourself, and if you slip up, just go back to the track. So that is my video about changing a bad habit. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nazla Firunisa with student registration number 63240518. Here, I will explain about the comparison degree that include positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Before, we need to know the definition about comparison degree. Comparison degree is a term in English grammar to show a comparison. In comparison degree, adjective or adverb will change from according to level comparison. Therefore, comparison degree can also call comparison level. Next is function of comparison. The main function of comparison is to show the difference or comparison between two objects or more, whether in it adjective or adverb. Next is a level of comparison. There are three level in the comparison. The first is positive degree, the second is comparative degree, and the last is superlative degree. We talked about the positive degree before. In the positive degree, two things are being compared on the same level or comparable. Therefore, the adjective or adverb is as used. For example, you are as pretty as her. The second is comparative degree. One of two things are being compared that has level more than others. Therefore, adjective or adverb or more is used. For example, you are prettier than her. The rest is superlative degree. In the superlative degree, the things being talked about have the level of the most. Therefore, adjective or adverb as or most is used. For example, you are the prettiest girl in this school. The next is formula in example sentence of positive degree. There are two formulas. The first formula is first subject plus to be plus as adjective as plus second subject. The example sentence is Effie is as pretty as Putri. Effie as the first subject is as to be, pretty as an adjective, and Putri as the second subject. The second formula is first subject plus verb plus as adverb for as plus second subject plus verb. The example sentence is Nana runs as fast as Widya does. Nana as a first subject, run as a verb, fast as an adverb, Widya as a second subject, and does as a verb. Next is formula in example sentence of comparative degree. There are three formulas in there. The first formula is first subject plus to be plus adjective plus er plus second subject. The example sentence is Parita is prettier than Asa. The second formula is first subject plus verb plus adverb plus er plus then plus second subject. The example sentence is Asa runs faster than Luka does. The last formula is first subject plus to be plus more plus verb plus then plus second subject. The example is chocolate is more delicious than matcha. Chocolate as a first subject, is as a to be, more delicious as a verb, and matcha as a second subject. Okay, the next is a formula and example sentence for superlative degree. There are three formulas in here. The first formula is subject plus to be plus the adjective plus est plus object. The example sentence is Rora is the prettiest member in the group. The second formula is subject plus verb plus adverb plus est plus object. The example sentence is Wira runs the fastest of all the runners. The last formula is subject plus to be plus the most plus adjective plus object. For example sentence is Ahyeon is the most talented member of the group. Ahyeon as a subject, talented as a adjective, and member as the object. Okay, next is rules for using comparison degree. There are three rules for using a comparison degree. The first, for the adjective or adverb with the one syllable, the meaning of one syllable is that the adjective of adverb cannot be cut off, so it is only pronounced once. However, if the adjective or adverb ends with a consonant preceded by one vowel, then the last consonant must be written double. Adjective or adverb with one syllable always use est or er for the comparison. The second is for the adjective or adverb with two syllable. The meaning of two syllable is that the adjective of adverb can be divided into two, so that the pronunciation consists of two antareses. Adverb or adjective with two syllable can use er and est or more and most. The last is adjective or adverb with three syllable or more. The meaning of three or more syllable is that adjective or adverb can be divided into three or more, so that the pronunciation consists of three more antareses. The example is expensive and beautiful. Adverb and adjective with three or more syllable always use more or most. Okay, the last is example question for comparison degree. There are three questions. The first is Rina is blank pretty blank Yola. The sentence for fill the blank is as pretty as Yola. So the sentence is Rina is as pretty as Yola. That was example of positive degree. The second is Chacha is blank cute kids I ever seen. The sentence for fill the blank is the cutest. So the sentence is Chacha is the cutest kids I ever seen. That was example of superlative degree. And the last question is Widya is blank smart blank Kiara. The sentence for fill the blank is smarter than Kiara. So the final sentence is Widya is smarter than Kiara. That was example of comparative degree. So that is my presentation about comparison degree. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.